Mud and scuffing have long been the bane of shoes and boots. In medieval times, wax was used to soften and waterproof leather footwear, but it had a dull finish. It wasn't until the early 20th century, with the invention of shoe polish, that footwear really started to shine. All it takes is a bit of polish and a lot of elbow grease. A vigorous brushing can enhance the job and help transform shoes from drab to fab. Shoe polish starts with mineral spirit solvent and different combinations of carnauba wax. The waxes go into a melter where they're heated to 260 degrees. The mixture cooks for 15 minutes while beaters keep everything blended together. This is dye fluid in a deep black shade. In another tank, the dye fluid and waxes are added to the solvent blend. Agitators mix it for 3 minutes. Tin container bottoms tumble down a chute and up a magnetic conveyor belt. A worker flips the tins right side up, then pushes them onto another conveyor. Once they're lined up, they're ready to be filled. Automated arms space the tins as they arrive at the filling head. The filling heads inject hot liquid shoe polish into the tins. The polish is precisely doled out so there's no spillover. The polish now needs to solidify, so the tins travel through a cooling tunnel. When they emerge, the polish is a thick paste. Workers perform a breaking strength test to be sure the final product has the right consistency. The polish-filled tins now funnel onto a conveyor that merges with a lid feeder. The feeder lowers the lids onto the tins. A compression wheel presses the lids in place with just the right amount of force. And this polish is now ready to shine. There's a different packaging system for liquid shoe polish. A blow molding machine forces hot air into plastic to form containers. Then, the mechanized rack holding the containers rotates and places the newly formed bottles on another conveyor. It moves them under a flame, which melts the rough edges. Revolving conveyors move under filling heads, which pump in liquid polish. Workers insert valves into applicators. Then, this machine press fits the applicators onto the polish-filled containers. Using hydraulic pressure, another machine snaps clear domes onto the applicators. Rollers affix labels onto both sides of the bottles. The bottles then move through an inspection station. A mirror helps workers scrutinize the labeling job. A technician now takes a preliminary reading of the gloss on some leather. He applies some paste polish and rubs it in with a horsehair brush. He takes another reading, and the gloss on this leather has increased by a factor of 2, which means this polish passes muster and is ready to add some high luster to your footwear.